Hi, I am Ada Rahman, and I help businesses turn raw data into stunning dashboards using Tableau. Data without visualization is just numbers, confusing, overwhelming, and easy to ignore. But when your data is transformed into visuals, patterns emerge, trends become clear, and decisions become smarter. I design custom Tableau dashboards from scratch to make your data clear, interactive, and actionable, tailored exactly to your needs. With dynamic filters, drill-down capabilities, and beautiful visual storytelling, you'll have everything you need to explore insights and make confident, data-driven decisions. From KPI tracking to deep drill-down insights, I create dashboards designed to answer your business questions instantly. With stunning visuals, smart filters, and real-time analytics, you'll not only see your data, you'll understand it, act on it, and stay ahead of the competition. Click the Order Now button and let's create your perfect dashboard.